Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
I tell you what, that fresh snowfall had a really pretty look to it with a lot of that sunshine earlier today. And that was no exception with many of our Mercy Health SkyTrack cameras across the region. But now late into the evening, one of those in particular showing off still that snow around. And that has helped to drop our temperatures quickly as we head now into the late evening. Mercy Health SkyTrack camera overlooking Rochelle. And that's where we're seeing still a clear sky paired with that fresh snow helping to drop those temperatures pretty quickly. Many spots already near or below zero across the state line. We're at -1 right now in Rockford, 2 below in Rochelle, +1 in Janesville, Monroe, and Freeport, -6 right now out in Galena, still holding on to 4 degrees above zero right now in DeKalb, but our wind chills across the board are below zero because even with a very light wind, under 10 miles per hour, that has helped to draw those wind chills down around 15 below zero for some, and that will continue to remain the case through the majority of the night tonight. Our weather watcher Terry out in Genoa reporting a temperature of 2 degrees, -5 for that current dew point, a wind at 15 miles per hour out of the west, helping to draw that wind chill even lower. Meanwhile, weather watcher Mike out in Forreston reporting a temperature of 1, wind chill -12 right now, similar wind out of that westerly direction, starting to flip more out of the south though as we head late into the evening tonight. And that's where we have that high pressure, almost centered down to our south, very close to the Davenport, Springfield area. You see that clockwise motion with our winds, but out to our west, that southerly wind will start to draw a little bit more moisture our direction, and that'll be ahead of our next weather system that moves in for the day tomorrow. But with the high pressure in the short term, we are left with that mostly clear sky, and temperatures will continue to fall, eventually down near -4 here in Rockford. Some spots even out to the west, possibly even a few degrees cooler than that. A mostly clear sky, wind chills below zero, possibly even around 15 to 20 degrees below zero in some spots in very isolated instances, especially out to the west where that snowpack is deeper. Our temperature, though, tomorrow rises back up to 26 degrees. Cloud cover will be on the increase along with our winds out of the south-southwest. Could gust close to 25 miles per hour. That's with that moisture that leads into our next weather system, producing some steadier snow showers as early as the middle evening tomorrow. We'll go to Futurecast now and time this out. There's that increasing cloud cover through tomorrow morning. Temperatures rising eventually back to the mid-20s, and that's when our next weather system really starts to move in, especially after 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. This is when we could see the potential for some quick bursts of moderate to even possibly heavy snow at times, with those snowfall rates exceeding 1 inch per hour in a few isolated instances. This will be a pretty quick moving wave, though, in and out in a matter of a few hours, but even those few hours we'll see really reduced visibility, a quick coating of snow on those untreated and possibly even treated surfaces given how quickly that snow will come down. That'll exit the area as we head toward midnight tomorrow night, and within that window we could see the potential for some flurries, possibly some freezing drizzle. We'll eventually see the return of a little bit more moisture, a little bit more snowfall as we head into Saturday morning. We could see another pretty narrow band of snow set up, and wherever that one ends up, we could see the potential for additional accumulations as we head into Saturday and the majority of Saturday evening. First round of snow that develops Friday evening. Could see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of snow. Those higher amounts likely in Wisconsin, where we see that steadier band of snow last just a little bit longer. And then all of that comes down in a matter of a few hours after 5 or 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. So keep an eye on those reduced visibilities and quickly worsening road conditions tomorrow evening. 26 degrees for that high temperature, 32 for Saturday, and then the colder air sets in after these couple of weather systems exit the area. High temperatures down in the single digits and low temperatures back below zero for a few more days.